Hey guys, how's it going? Frey here, Tools and Gadgets. Today we have the Evenflow Gold Extended Version Revolve. So this is the Revere color. So we got this for $399 over at Target. So this one is the extended version. So that means that you could do rear facing up to 50 pounds and you could do forward facing up to 120 pounds. So I'm just going to be replacing my Duna here. So my Duna base, I'm going to be taking this out and replace it. Alright guys, so now we are going to be installing the base. So this is a two part installation. First off, let's take out the tether. So the tether is located at the bottom. So let's take that one out. And we're just going to be dropping this here in the middle. Just be sure that your car has a tether support at the back of the seat. So each car is different, so just be sure to check yours if you have that tether. So let's go ahead and drop that in the middle, and I'll show you later on how to attach it. So this is the last part of the attachment here. Let's just drop it there. And next, what you want to do is that we have the seat belt. So the seat belt, as you can see here, just gonna be popping this up, and then grab your seat belt and just let it pass through here. And let's lock it in place. Okay, so the next thing what you want to do is that the lower one, you should make sure that it's set beneath this sky blue thing, and then just make sure to make it really tight. Then let's go ahead and press on this. So just make sure to press it really tight. You can see that it's already green, so that means that it's locked into place. And here, it depends on the car. Mine is you just pull it all the way out and it locks into place, so it's not going anywhere. So to check if your seat is already fastened, it must not move 1 inch. So this is rock solid now, so it's not going anywhere. So this is all good now, and let's go ahead and install the car seat. Okay guys, so we already attached the car seat. So in order to attach it, you must place this in line with the arrow here, and after that you can just rotate it and lock into place. You'll know that it's locked into place if this is color green here. So once it's not locked into place, it's still color red. Let's go for the rear face. See, it's green, and this ball should be in this area right here to know that your baby is perfectly level. So in order to rotate it, just lift it, then slide it. So take note, on the middle it doesn't lock into place. So once you're putting your child here, it doesn't lock into place if it's in the middle part. So only time that it locks into place if it's in the rear facing or in the front facing. So this is the front facing now. It locks into place. So there's a little bit of wiggle here on the top. So let's go ahead. If mommy wants to take out the baby to change the diapers, she can do that and return him or her back into place and rotate it. So it's that easy, guys. So let's go at the back. So let's attach the tether here. So we are now at the back, guys. So Depending on the car model, my tether is right here. So I'm just going to be attaching this hook right here. Locks into place, and just pull this one to securely fasten the seat base. Alright, that's it. So it's not going anywhere already. So it's perfectly fastened. Your baby is secure. Oh wait guys, so I forgot to point something out. If you want to remove the headrest here, the smaller headrest for the infants, first time I really got a hard time doing it, but then I realized that when you just raise this, the headrest, the whole headrest goes up. You just release this, and you could actually see that there's a Velcro here. So you just snap it out, and you could release the headrest here, the smaller headrest for the infants. Same as on the other side. You could also see a Velcro here. I don't know if you can see this. This is the Velcro. So you just snap it out and release it. So yeah, first time I really got a hard time doing it, but then I realized that it's just here at the back. I thought I need to take everything out, but no, that's the trick, to take out the smaller headrest for the infants. So yeah. So if you have any question guys or comments, just comment down below, and see you again in the next vlog. Bye.